Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a multiplication question. We're going to look at multiplying 9 by 752. Now it doesn't matter whether you do 9 times 752 or 752 times 9 because multiplication is commutative. It means it doesn't matter the order you multiply numbers together in. The answer needs to go in this box here, and this is worth 1 mark in your exam. So your key facts. You need to use the column method or the grid method. And it's personal preference which way you prefer, or some children will be able to think about multiplying by 10 and then taking off one lot of 752. It depends on the ability of the child and which way they prefer to work. So press pause, choose your method as to which way round you would like to work this, and then press play once you've got yourself an answer. So fantastic work. Hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. Now I'm going to start off with the column method. So I've got 752 times by 9. So I'm going to start on the right hand side here. So I'm going to do 9 times 2 is 18. So I've got 1 and then the 8. Now it doesn't matter where you carry a 1, whether you carry it above the line or whether it goes below the line. You get exactly the same result. Then 9 times 5 is 45 plus the 1 gives you 46. So we're going to carry the 4 and put the 6 underneath. Then 9 times 7 is 63. Plus the 4 gives us 67. So our answer is 6,768. So that is using the column method. Now, if the question is worth more than 1 mark, you will only get a method mark for using this notation. There is an alternative method which some students find easier to use. It's personal preference as to which way you do it. Is where we have to partition this number 752. So we have to split the 700 up into a 700. The 5 becomes the 50 and the 2 is in the ones column is just a 2. So we now need to multiply each of these 3 numbers here by 9. So 9 times 7 is 63 and we've got multiplying by 700 rather than 7. So we have to add 2 zeros on the end or move the digits 2 places to the left from the 63 to get the answer 6,300. Next I've got 9 times 50. So we're going to work out 9 times 5, which is 45, and then we're going to add a 0 because we're multiplying by 10. Then I've got 9 times 2, which is 18. Once I've got these 3 digits here, these 3 numbers, I'm going to add them together. So I've got 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 6 is just the 6 at the front, which gives me the same answer, 6,768. Choose the method that works for you best. You could have multiplied this number by 10 by adding a 0 on the end and then subtract 752 to give you the same answer as well. You choose which method works for you. If you got it correct, give yourself a big tick. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer 6,768 for 1M, which is 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.